Welcome to my channel Katie Trader.
I open buy because the Vfxalert signal gives a buy signal in this USD CAD market. Let's see if this signal bot works accurately. Let's watch until it's finished, guys.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and activate the notification bell, guys, so you don't miss it when I upload my videos every day.
The time is 2 minutes. We wait for the time to finish, guys. Profit, guys. Thanks for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.